Hey guys, welcome you all in the today's session of reasoning. Today we are going to start with the reasoning series. I promise you all to give lecture on mathematics and reasoning. And today I have started the second part, the reasoning part. So we will proceed with the reasoning part. And today we are going to start with the chapter that is known as dice. You all know dice? You all guys are aware of dice, I think, no? We all had played Ludo, that game. I think we all are aware that cubicle shape, looking somewhat like this, no? This is called dice, on which six numbers are written, 1, 2, 3, 4. Actually dot is there, 1 dot, here 2 dot is there, 3 dot is here, 4, 5, 6. This type of dots are there. I think you all are aware of this, and in Hindi we call it as pasa, because Sakuni Mama's pasa, we all aware, because of that Mahabharat happened, no? Okay, so today we are going to start with the dice. I hope you guys will really enjoy this chapter, because you will come to know many of the short tricks. Today I will tell you. Okay, and this chapter is very important for especially railway examination, SSC examination and state government examination. In banking this chapter is not asked. And guys, I will cover the whole part, whole reasoning. Not a single chapter I will left. So you need not to worry, you just focus on your studies, because I will cover everything from very basic to high level. Okay, and this reasoning batch of mine will cover all the one day examination that is available in the market, like SSC CGL, railway, banking, state examination or any other examination. And you know the level of reasoning asked in bank PO examination, I will cover that also. So just stay focused, be with me and practice hard. Okay, so today we are starting with dice. It looks somewhat like this. It has 6 figure surfaces, 3 we can see right now and 3 are hidden, and the question are asked in the examination from those hidden parts only. In the real dice, so in 3D we easily see all the 6 surfaces, but here we see only 3 surfaces. Other 3 surfaces are hidden, and the question are asked from that part only. And I will show you the 6 surfaces. This is first. This is called front, and the back side of this is here. Not this one, not this one. Behind this, just imagine what I am trying to say. This is called the back part. Back. This is top surface. So this part, this surface, I think you all able to visualize which part I am talking about. This surface, this, not this one. This is the front one. Below this is bottom. This is right, and this surface is called left. Okay, I think you all understand this. It is of cubical shape also. It can be either of the two, either cube or cuboidal shape. Both are available, but in our course we have to deal with cube shape only. Okay, so what we discuss is it has 6 parts: front, back, top, bottom, right, left. You all are aware. So before proceeding to the chapter, I will give you a brief of what type of question is being asked in the examination. So I am not started chapter yet. I am just giving you a brief review of what we are going to study and how we study dice. Okay. So there are 4 cases are there. First case is this, in which you got only one position, one figure. This type of figure is there and you have to ask question. You ask question on hidden parts. So like tell what is the opposite to 1, what is the number opposite to 1, means they are asking this number. Okay. And what is the number opposite to 3, this type of question. Whatever question are asked from one figure only. And the second case is 2 figure, when 2 figures are there. Okay. And based on that 3 cases are there, 1 common, 2 common and no common. I will explain you what these are. Suppose in case 2 figure are there. 1 common mean how many numbers are common when only one number is common between these two. Like 3 is here, no? I think you watch this. Only 3 is there, so it is based on 1 common. Okay. And suppose instead of 4, 2 is there. So this will become the case of 2 common. Guys, tell me, will there be 3 common case? I have written there ki no common case is next case. You understand that, but 3 common case is not there, because this is the same dice. This, if 1 is there, means this both are same figure, same dice. So we will not consider that figure. Okay. I have to rub this. Okay. And when no common trick is no common is applied, when no number is common there, no common number is there, like instead of 3, 6 is there. So this is the case of no common. Okay. And third case is when more than 2 figures are there, either it be 3, 4, 5, any figure, it comes under case 3. And the last case is case 4, open dice. Problem based on open dice is also asked in the examination. These are the 4 cases on which question is asked. Today we are going to start with second case. Okay. And in this we are going to study today 1 common. Okay. So let's proceed. So case 2 is there, I told you, and with 1 common. And the trick is used to solve, that's why this is 1 common trick base. So first question is 2 dice are there, and we are asked to solve this dice. And what is the meaning of solving? By solving this dice means we have to know what are the hidden numbers, like opposite of 5, opposite of 3. 3 faces are there, na? 3 hidden faces. What number will be there on 3 faces? And similarly for this dice also. This is the meaning of solving the dice. So very simple and tricky solution is there. First of all, we have to look at the number of dice. 2 dice are there. Okay. And first of all, we have to look how many numbers are common. 1, that is 3. Okay. So it will be solved by 1 common trick. If 2 number are common, it will be solved by 2 common tricks. But we will do that later. 2 common, no common. Right now we are studying 1 common trick only. So from that number we have to rotate clockwise, and in this figure also we have to rotate clockwise. Okay. So first of all write 3, and for first figure, this figure, what comes after 3? 5, and next 2, and for this figure 3, after this 4, after that 6. And what is the number left now? As we know, dice has 6 number, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so what we get? 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. What is left now? 1. So 1 is the answer. So 2 is opposite to 6, 5 is opposite to 4, and 3 is opposite to 1. This is the solution. 1 is opposite to 3 and 3 is opposite to 1. 5 is opposite to 4 and 4 is opposite to 3, 5. 2 is opposite to 6 and 6 is opposite to 2. This is our solution, and by this we answer any of the question asked from these two dice. Okay guys, one thing I want to tell you that please make your own notes, because if your handwritten notes are there, it will be easier to revise. That note you will revise within 5 minutes. But if you borrow the notes of others, you will get confused also, and it will take again that much time that you have given earlier. And in between this, I will give you proper time to note. So don't worry and make a proper notes. Notes are very important, friends, because once you make the proper notes, keep it in a safe, because many times those notes are also stolen, because that is key to success. If you make a proper notes, I am telling this because I have made this mistake. Even I think that what rubbish talk is this, make a proper note. I write somewhere here on some notebook, but if proper things are there, why some people succeed and some fail? These are the small things, yaar. This is how successful people do the things differently, and these are different things. They make the proper notes, and during the examination you can quickly revise the things in 5 minutes. The main thing is, for studies you have only one coaching, one teacher, one book, and multiple revision. Revise, friend, because you have to produce in examination what you know, not the book. How many book you have, this will never give you marks. Only what is there in your mind, what you remember, and what you write, from that only you get your marks. For job, what we need? Rank, and rank will come from marks. So always look for marks, ki how many marks you get and what is cut off. If you are looking for seats, a number of students, then you will be really afraid of that. So just try to cover the marks. 120 is cut off out of 200. It is easy, I will get this. And be positive. Okay, work hard and you will get through. Okay, just let's proceed to second question. Second question is similar, it is just for practice. Okay guys, okay, solve this. Again, 2 figure, 1 common, 6 clockwise. Oh, one thing I forgot to mention in the previous question, I will explain in this, that friend, we can rotate anti-clockwise also. Anti-clockwise we know in this direction, but we have to rotate both, either in clockwise or either anti-clockwise. If you rotate clockwise, rotate both dice clockwise. If you are rotating anti-clockwise, rotate both dice anti-clockwise. Okay, and try to make the thing short, because in examination you will forget. With me also this thing happen, that in the examination many of you will really forget, man. If what sir has told us, he was talking somewhat like anti-clockwise, clockwise. So in one figure you rotate clockwise, and in other figure you rotate it anti-clockwise, and you will get your question wrong. So for coming out of this, just remember that you have to rotate clockwise. forget about anti-clockwise. Okay, so write the number here, 6 6, and from first figure, this figure 1 3, and from this figure 6, next is 4, this number is 2, and what is left? 5. So our dice is opposite to 3 is 2, and opposite to 2 is 3, opposite to 1 is 4, opposite to 4 is 1, opposite to 5 is 6, opposite to 6 is 5. This is your answer. Now you can answer any of the question asked from these two dice from this. Okay, and in the side you can write in your own language whatever. Mostly I think you are English, you know English, that's why you are watching this lecture. So here you write ki left number is the number which is left. This number करके लिख दीजिए for this number. This number is the number which is left. So it is easy to revise, yaar. Write down somewhere that because at the time of revision definitely you will forget these things, yaar. After some time you will not revise and you will forget. So it is easier to revise if you write this type of thing. These are very necessary. Okay, and here I am telling you in this manner, no? But in examination you have to proceed in this manner. Once you look at the dice, just see one common 6 6, just you have to write. You need not to go through these things. Just write what? 1 clockwise, 1 4, 2 3, and 6 5. Okay, and these are the solution part. You just reach at this, man. This is just for understanding, and you will reach here after practicing a lot. When you practice a lot these things, na, then only you will reach up to here in the examination. So first do in this manner, slowly you will reach up to here. In this case it is easy, but in other portion you will reach from this to this by that only. Okay, I hope you understand. Okay, let's move to next question. Third question is there on this question. What is the number at bottom surface of figure 1? They are asking for this number. So indirectly they are asking what is opposite to 3. No? So 2 dice, 1 common, 5 clockwise, 5 5, 1 3, 2 6, 4. ठीक है. Okay, so what is opposite to 3? Is 6. So answer comes out to be 6. And the next question is, what is the number at bottom surface of figure 2? Figure 2, they are asking this number indirectly opposite to 2. Opposite 2 is 1. So 1 is your answer. Okay, shall we proceed? I hope you are noting down. Okay, this question is somewhat different. This is different type. Find the third position. An option are is back. These are the options. So similarly, common number is E. Rotate clockwise. So E, F, A. From second figure E, B, D. C, C is the opposite. So now how can you proceed now? Now you got trapped. Oh, but don't worry, I am here to tell you the solution, how to come out of that. So in this type of problem, we have to go through elimination method. But how we apply elimination here? For this, one simple note is there, and that is two opposite number can never be seen together or hidden. Together. What this mean? Means two opposite number A and D, they can never be seen together. Like here, A and D can never be seen together on dice and can never be hidden together. Okay, so it can never be, so this is not possible. BF, these are opposite in this figure, this is also not possible. What about this figure? CE, so not possible. To BCD, these are all opposite. Okay, answer is D. So move to fifth question. I think you have noted down this question. I am giving you some time so you can understand it properly, that two opposite number can never be seen together or hidden together. This is the formula of solving this type of question. Okay, I hope you have noted down. So proceed to fifth question, and here is fifth question is similar to the previous one. The little bit change is there. Find the third position. So I will solve it in a shortcut way. I think you understand. Okay, so five, 4, 2, 6, 3, 1. This is solution. So check 1, 3 opposite, cancel. 4, 5, 4, 5, 4, 5, cancel. 1, 2, 5, 1, 2, 5. This is the answer. And once we get the answer, we need not to check this one, because if we are checking this also, only one option is correct, so we get the correct one. So no need of checking this, because if we are checking this, we are wasting our time. Checking this is wasting time waste, and that we cannot afford in the examination, because we have to save time there. Okay, and this is the shortcut. Answer is C. Okay, so come to next question, sixth one, and this is bit different. We have to find the question mark. Question mark. We have to find what will come here at this place. So similarly we proceed one common clockwise. So what is the number there? 2, 3, 5. Yeah. So we have to solve this question also by elimination method, and the trick is same. What? I've given you this note now. 2 opposite number can never be seen together or hidden together. You understand the meaning of this one? So apply this. 4, opposite to 4 is 5. So 5 is not, and 4 is there in the option. How it come? So both got cancelled, and the 6 opposite to 6, 2 is also got cancelled. So answer is D, 1. Okay, that is the answer. Answer D. Okay, let's move to 7th question. Question mark. What will come at question mark? Again, you have to find what will come here. Question mark. Same, one common. Clockwise rotation. So E, A, B, E, C, D. Okay. This is what we get. I hope you all know. So now come to option. Just eliminate what E is there. How 2E will never be possible. Opposite to E, F is not there. D, how D will come? Opposite to D, B is there. So we are left with C only. Okay, let's check the answer. C is the answer. Okay, let's move to next question. Spark. Again, the type of question is there. This question is bit different, friend, because in the previous question you saw options are somewhat not that tough. In the previous question, if I tell you ki fine, if instead of ED is also there, other option F is there, other option A is there. So here the question will be tricky. I understand your problem, because this is the game. In this question, option plays a very important role. So how we got cancel these two, A and C, both can come. So which one we have to choose between these two? This thing I will tell you in this question. Your problem will be solved. Okay, we have to find one common, clockwise, six, 5. Okay, the number left is 4. Okay, so the same thing, two opposite number can never be seen together or hidden together. So C, opposite 4, 6, 1, number opposite to 1 is 5, got cancelled. Now we are left with these two, and probability of coming these two are equal. So now we have to find which one will come, because answer is one only. Between these two, only one answer, one is correct. So in this type of question, when we are confused in two options, we have to get our figure and match it with the above two figure. It is matching with this one, 1, 6. So we have to get matched with. And how we match, I will tell you. Just clock is just rotate it. It depends on you from which side you want to proceed. I am proceeding from 6 to 1. You can proceed from 1 to 6 also. The result will be same. And here also 6 to 1. This is anti-clockwise. This is clockwise. So rotation is opposite. So here 3 is there and here opposite rotation is there. So what will come? 2. Yeah, 2 will come. So answer is going to be 2. Let's check. Answer is 2. Suppose I am giving you case. Suppose this dice is there and 6 is here, 1 is here, and we have to find. Now what is the answer? Here 6 to 1 clockwise, and here 6 to 1 rotation is also clockwise. So here what will come? 3. Answer is 3 for this. Okay. Now move on to next question, 9th. Spark, 2 dice, and what will come at question mark. This question is similar to previous one. Okay, you have to find what will come at question mark. So here C is common. Rotate clockwise. So C, A, B, C, D, F. E is the answer, and these are opposite pair. So A opposite D, so it is never be there. The next is B. Opposite to B is F, so it will also eliminate. We are left with C and E, and these both are opposite. So there are, which one is correct? So match the figure with above. This, either rotate it from A to B or B to A is totally depend on you. I am rotating it from A to B clockwise. Here A to B clockwise. So here number come will be C. C is correct answer. Okay, let's check. C is the answer. Let's move to next question, that is 10th, and this is very important one, man. This is important, most important question, and what we study today, everything we learn here. Okay, option, these are the options. So here 1 anti-clockwise rotation. So 1 2 3, here 1 6 4, what we left is 5. Opposite to this is opposite to 2, and these both are opposite pair. So 3 का opposite 4, and opposite to 5 is 1, and now we are left with these two. So between these two, which is the correct one? So we have to match this figure with the above, but no figure is matching. So what we study in one common trick. First case is 4 option is there, 3 option are wrong and 1 is correct. We have seen this type of question, and second type is 4 option is there and 2 are wrong and 2 are totally wrong, and with these two probability is there, and the figure match with the above figure match here. And the third type is 4 options are there, 2 are incorrect, these two have probability but figure not match. Here figure is not matching. This is our case. Question 10. This is the case of this question. These two, you know na, we have done it earlier, these two cases, but this case is this one. Okay, so here in this what we have to do is we have to take both number 2 and 6 and we have to generate these things, different combination, and we have to match with this one. This is the correct na for between these two, for which number this thing will satisfy, that is the correct answer. So first we check the 6. Suppose here 6 is there, we have to match with this figure. Okay, so what is there, what will come? 5 4. I am going in a very short manner. 3 1 6 2. So what is the answer? Is it matching? 1 opposite to 1 is 3, but here 5. So 6 is not there. 6 is incorrect. So we need not to check this 2, because if we are checking 2, we are wasting our time, because 2 will definitely satisfy. Okay, let's check the answer. Answer is 2. I hope you will find this lecture very useful, and if you do so, please subscribe my channel and like this video. Okay, tomorrow we will proceed with the next part with the 2 common trick, 3 no common trick, and after that case 1, case 3 and case 4. Okay, so tomorrow with 2 common tricks. Okay, bye bye.